Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe to your Whop account so you can start accepting payments. This process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Let's go through it step by step. First, log into your Whop account. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or name. This will open a small menu. From there, click on Account Settings. After you're in the account settings, look on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu. From that menu, click on the option that says Balances. This is where you'll manage how you get paid through Whop. Now, on the Balances page, you'll see a button that says Set up Whop Payments. Go ahead and click on that button. This is the first step in connecting your Whop account to Stripe. Once you click the button, the system will ask you to select your country. Choose the country where your business or bank account is based. This is important because Stripe uses this to set up your account correctly. After you choose your country, you'll be redirected to the Stripe website. Stripe is the payment platform Whop uses to process all your payments. It's trusted by millions of businesses. On the Stripe page, the first thing it will ask for is your email address. Type in the email you want to use for your Stripe account. If you already have a Stripe account with that email, you'll be able to log in. If not, you can create a new account right there. Once you type your email, Stripe will send you a verification code. Check your email inbox, copy the code, and paste it back into the Stripe page to confirm your email address. Next, Stripe will ask you to enter some details about yourself and your business. If you're working on your own and don't have a company, you can select individual or sole proprietor. Then, fill in your personal information like your name, phone number, and address. When you've filled everything out, submit the form. Stripe will now process your application. Most of the time, this only takes a few minutes. Once your account is ready, Stripe will automatically send you back to your Whop dashboard. You'll now see that your Stripe account is connected in the Balances section of your Whop settings. That means you're ready to start receiving payments. And that's it. Your Whop account is now fully connected to Stripe and ready to accept payments.